Is your mechanical keyboard acting up? Not registering keys, or worse, double pressing? Don't worry, you might not need a new one. Let's fix it in under a minute with some simple cleaning. Here's what you need. Isopropyl alcohol, 99% preferred, at least 75%. A surgical syringe or injection, no needle, to apply IPA. A keycap puller, or flat tool. Optional, cotton swabs or a soft brush. Power off and unplug your keyboard. Pull off the keycap of the faulty key gently. Fill your syringe with isopropyl alcohol. Carefully inject 1 to 2 drops into the switch. Press the switch repeatedly, about 20 to 30 times, to work the alcohol in. Let it dry for a few minutes. IPA evaporates quickly. And that's it. If your key's still not working, repeat the process once. Like and subscribe for more tech fixes.